Yeah, a bunch of boats. Alright, now the fun part. Trying to not spill oil everywhere while I'm doing one, the oil filter, and two, where is it? Right there. Oh, cool, that's actually in a very convenient spot. But something very inconvenient happened. Look what I did! Fuck! Fuck! This doesn't come off. That's all one piece. It's just supposed... What sort of a fucking design is that? Holy shit. For context, that was a sump plug. I dropped it and I couldn't get it out for half an hour. Eventually did. Here's me putting the trolley away after I refilled the oil. The bastard. No, look at that, Grandma.
Fuck yeah, Grandma. I mean...
That's a nice tree.
Or just beforehand. All of our safety equipment can be located in the same spot.
Fitzroy. Yeah, I'd do it again. Recommended.